In this video, we're going to take a look at the notification panel hack and unlock hidden quick settings on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now, if you swipe down at the top here, you can pull down the short quick settings panel along with your notification panels. If you swipe down on this corner here, just where there is the Wi-Fi icon and the battery icon, so if you swipe down at the top, this will open up the full quick settings panel and it does not show the notification panel. Now, from anywhere on the screen, you can also swipe down and that will allow you to quickly pull down the notification panel along with a small quick settings panel up at the top. And that's it. So that is how you can decide whether you want to pull down the notification panel or if you want to pull down the full quick settings panel. And when it is fully open, it has a lot more options for you to do. So you can view your calls and messages and mobile data with all the different SIM card that you have on your device. In here, you'll be able to have more access to shortcuts, so we can swipe across and we can quickly open features by tapping on a shortcut. For example, if I want to quickly open up scan QR, I can do so by swiping across and tap on scan QR code. Or if I want to turn on or turn off certain features, I can do so from this fully extended quick settings panel. And that's it. Finally, you can just go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.